Take a look at this channel. Despite having just 32 videos, it's already gained over 141,000 subscribers. It focuses on animated documentary content, and if you check the most popular uploads, many of them have already crossed millions of views. The channel is fully monetized too, and you can verify that yourself using any monetization checker. What's even more surprising is that the creator has built not one, but 3 channels like this, and every single one is monetized. Here's the second channel, again centered around documentary-style videos, and once again you can confirm the monetization. And this is the third channel. Same style of content, same strategy, and yes, it's monetized as well. Now let me show you how you can create these kinds of documentary videos using only free AI tools. First, you'll need a master prompt, which is provided in the description below the video. This single prompt handles everything automatically: image generation, video generation, thumbnails, story creation, and even the voiceover script, so you don't have to do anything manually. Inside the master prompt, you'll find the user input section, and that's the only part you need to edit. Start by selecting your topic region, whether it's country-based, civilization-based, or global. For this example, I'll choose global and remove the rest. Next, select the language you want for the script. I'll go with English. Then choose the video duration. You can create long-form content, even 30-minute videos, but I'd recommend keeping it around 9 to 10 minutes for better retention. For now, I'll set it to 1 minute. When it comes to scenes, a good rule is around 10 to 15 scenes per minute, so I'll go with 10 scenes. Once you've filled in the inputs, copy the entire master prompt. Open any chatbot you prefer: ChatGPT, DeepSeek, or Claude. I'll use Claude for this example, and paste the prompt there. After you click Generate, Claude will give you 10 title ideas. Pick the one you like, or if you already have a title in mind, just type it in manually. I'll choose the third option, enter its number, and hit Generate. Claude will now create the full documentary package for you: the narration script, scene structure, image prompts, video prompts, and even thumbnail prompts with multiple variations. Scroll back to the narration section and copy the script for your voiceover. Next, open Google AI Studio, click on What's New, select Generate Speech with Gemini, and choose the Master Storyteller option. Open the speaker settings, select a style like empathetic, set the pace to staccato, and choose whichever voice model you prefer. Now, this next step is extremely important because it can determine whether your channel gets monetized or not. A lot of people ignore the scene and sample context sections, and that's a huge mistake. To make your AI voice sound more human and to help it pass monetization checks, you need to include those inputs. At the end of the master prompt, you'll find both the scene context and sample context. Copy them and paste them into their respective sections. Then paste the narration script into the main text box and click Run. Once the audio is generated, listen through it carefully, then download the file. After that, download the Lexis Audio Editor app from the Play Store. This step helps make the AI-generated voice sound more natural and human-like. Open the app, import your audio, tap the 3 dots, go to Effects, then scroll down to Equalizer and Amplifier, and apply the settings I'll provide in the pinned comment. Once that's done, go back to Effects, click Normalize, and save the audio. Now it's time for image generation. Open Chrome, search for Auto Meta, click the first result, and add the extension to Chrome. Then search for VIO Automation, install that extension as well, and you're ready to go. Next, open Google Flow and create a new project. Go back to Claude and copy about 5 image prompts at a time. In the top right corner, click the puzzle icon, open the VIO Automation extension, select Text to Image, and paste the prompts there with 1 blank line between each. Set the output per prompt to 2 and click Run. The automation tool will generate and download images for every scene automatically. Repeat the same process for the remaining scenes, then keep the best variation from each pair. For video generation, open Meta AI and launch the Auto Meta extension. Click Go to Meta AI, upload all your images in order, then return to Claude, copy the video prompts, and paste them into the extension with 1 blank line between each prompt. Click Start, and Meta AI will begin generating the videos in the background. Once the stop button disappears, your videos are ready and they'll automatically download to your device without watermarks. After that, open any video editing software, import all your clips along with the voiceover, drag everything onto the timeline, sync the visuals with the narration, and export the final video.
History remembers the kings, the conquerors, the men whose names were carved into stone and whose faces were stamped onto coins. But there are other names that were deliberately scratched out, burned from records, buried under centuries of silence. And one of them ruled everything. She had no throne, no crown that history chose to remember, but every decree that left the palace, every war that was launched, every alliance that was sealed in blood and gold, it passed through her hands first. The men around her believed they held the power. They were wrong. She moved through the corridors of power like smoke, present in every room, visible to no one. Her voice shaped the decisions of rulers who never once admitted she existed. Advisors feared her. Generals answered to her. And yet, when the scribes sat down to write the official record, her name was gone.
And just like that, you have your finished documentary. Finally, for thumbnails, open Google Flow again, go to Settings, switch to Image Mode, set the aspect ratio to 16:9, set the output to 2, and choose the Nano Banana 2 model. Then head back to Claude, copy the thumbnail prompt, paste it into Flow, add your headline and subheading underneath, include whichever variation you prefer, and hit Generate. Flow will create 2 thumbnail options for you. Simply pick the one you like best. And that's it. I hope you found this helpful. I'll see you in the next video. Take care, and thank you for watching.